Welcome to SHPP Educational Channel. Animals and their babies' names. Bear. Bear baby's cub. Beluga. Beluga baby's calf. Bird. Bird baby's hatchlings. Camel. Camel baby's calf. Bee. Bee baby's larva. Cat. Cat baby's kitten. Cow. Cow baby's calf. Cheetah. Cheetah baby's cub. Chicken. Chicken baby's chick. Crocodile. Crocodile baby's hatchling. Crow. Crow baby's chick. Deer. Deer baby's fawn. Dog. Dog baby's puppy. Dolphin. Dolphin baby's calf. Donkey. Donkey baby's foal. Duck. Duck baby's ducklings. Eagle. Eagle baby's eaglet. Elephant. Elephant baby's calf. Fish. Fish baby's fry. Fox. Fox baby's kit. Frog. Frog baby's tadpole. Giraffe. Giraffe baby's calf. Gorilla. Gorilla baby's infant. Hedgehog. Hedgehog baby's piglet. Horse. Horse baby's foal. Koala. Koala baby's joy. Mouse. Mouse baby's pinkies. Owl. Owl baby's owlet. Monkey. Monkey baby's infant. For more educational videos, please subscribe, like, share SHPP Educational Channel.